In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a gym or fitness website with Wix. Start by going to the Wix website. If you are new to the platform, create an account. If you already have one, log into your existing account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Site. Click it to begin building your website. Wix will then guide you to choose the type of site you want to create. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits a gym, personal training, or fitness business. Choose a design that matches your brand and gives you the layout you need for classes, services, or memberships. After selecting a template, click Edit to open the Wix editor. This is where you will customize your site. Start with the home page, since this is the first thing visitors will see. Replace the sample text with your gym name, headline, and a short message about your business. Update the images so they reflect your space, your trainers, or the type of fitness services you offer. You can also adjust the sections on the page to highlight what matters most, such as training programs, schedules, or special offers. Next, add the main pages your visitors will need. Create an About page to introduce your business and team. Add a Services page to explain your classes or training options. Create a Pricing page so visitors can review membership plans or package details. Add a Contact page so people can reach out easily. Once your main pages are in place, set up features that help people connect with your business. You can add contact forms for inquiries or set up membership sign-up options for new clients. This is useful if you want visitors to request information, book sessions, or join your gym directly from the website. When your content and features are ready, go to your site settings and connect your custom domain. This will give your website a professional web address that matches your brand. Before publishing, click Preview to see how the website looks. Check both the desktop and mobile views to make sure everything is clear, organized, and easy to use on different devices. When you are happy with the final result, click Publish to make your website live. Your gym or fitness website will then be available for visitors to view online. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.